5-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category one, you can see on the screen is like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, guest present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various discounts and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by the